Current level, 1.0818 for the European currency. The current downward trend continues as sellers successfully held the support level at 1.0878. If selling pressure increases, the currency pair may move towards the next support level at 1.0760. On the flip side, if buyers become active, their target is the resistance level at 1.0944. Key events today that could cause significant market movement include the preliminary EU CPI at 11 o'clock Central Europe Time, US. Initial jobless claims at 14:30 Central Europe Time, and US. ISM manufacturing PMI at 1600 Central Europe Time.